Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be decorating for fall. I'm so excited. This is literally my favorite time of year. I love decorating for fall. I'm so excited to get out the fall decorations, put a bunch of pumpkins around my apartment. I just love this time of year. I love getting out the fall decorations, getting pumpkin spice lattes, burning a pumpkin candle. Comment below if you like fall or Christmas better, because honestly, I love them both so much. They're both the best times of the year. I'm really trying to think like which one is better. I just posted a fall vlog doing all of the fall things. I went shopping for fall decorations, fall scents. I did a little haul. I made some really good pumpkin cookies. Did a little fall clothing haul. Just did like all the fall things. So definitely make sure to check out that video. I'll link it here if you guys want to check it out. Today, we're just gonna be decorating. I also deep cleaned my apartment yesterday as well. So everything is clean, it's dusted. We're ready to actually get the decorations out. I also posted a whole deep cleaning video. I'll link that here if you guys want to check that out. I'm gonna kind of get out the decorations that I have from previous years and kind of look through that, see what I'm working with. I don't really think I'm gonna do any shopping because I kind of already did. So I don't really like need anything. I'm also gonna kind of organize and declutter my previous fall decorations because as I've been out shopping, I keep seeing all this new cute fall stuff, and then I'm like, I have a whole box of fall decorations, like I don't need this. But at the same time, I kind of feel like some of my stuff from previous years, some of it I got in high school and it's just not my style. So I'm also gonna be kind of going through my old stuff. I also have a whole box of Halloween decorations. I probably got those decorations like 8 years ago, like when I was 16. I know that they're not my style anymore. I think I'm gonna go through that as well, and I probably am just gonna have a whole box of decorations that I'm getting rid of. Let's just get started. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely thumbs up if you do, and if you'd like to see a Christmas edition of decorating, definitely comment below your favorite thing to do in the fall time or your favorite place to shop for fall decorations. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into the fall decorating. Here are the fall decorations. As you can see, that's mostly just like pillows, blankets, towels. The box is full of all the Halloween stuff that I usually don't really put out. I kind of just want to go through that and get rid of it if I'm not using it. This is just like some pampas grass that I sometimes will switch out like fake plants for. This is the bulk of the decorations, like all of the pumpkins. This is like pretty much all of the actual decorations. Before I actually unbox all of that and start getting the decorations out, I think I'm gonna take a little break and get a pumpkin spice, and then we can get to actually unboxing these and start decorating. Grande iced vanilla, or sorry, not iced vanilla, grande iced pumpkin spice latte. The way I almost just ordered a vanilla latte because I just saw this post from Jerf Avenue about the iced vanilla latte, the Jerf Avenue iced vanilla latte, and I was reading that as I was about to order. Just ordered my pumpkin spice. I usually tell them no whip. I just saw TikTok and the girl had a pumpkin spice with whip and it just looked really good. So I actually got it with whip this time. Let's do a little taste. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like really coffee, but also really pumpkin-y. It is literally 103 degrees out. Like, there's no way I'm getting a hot one. That would just be disgusting right now. An iced one is just delicious in this hot weather. I knew the pumpkin spice was good, but it's even better than I remember. Now it's time to actually start decorating. I'm so excited. Oh, and also, I just got a notification that my package was delivered. I just ordered the cutest thing ever. So you guys, when I get home, it's not really related to fall decorating, but it is like the cutest thing ever. So I'll show you guys when I get home. I'm literally so excited. It is a little bit later. I'm back home. I just wanted to show you the package that I was talking about earlier. It is from Anthropologie. I got these bags. How cute. They're kind of like a dupe of the Bottega Teen Jody bag. How cute. I ordered two because I just love both of these colors so much. I couldn't decide. And I feel like they're gonna be sold out soon because they're going viral on TikTok. This black one, and then I got this beige one. They also come in like tan, white, gray, a bunch of colors. And there's also a mini. I actually have the Bottega mini Jody bag here. So this is like the real one versus the dupe of the, like this is the mini and this is the teen size, I guess, but this is the Anthropologie and this is actually the Bottega one. Here's like the difference. I feel like the real Bottega has like bigger weaving. This is from Vivrelle, so I'm borrowing it for the month. I've always wanted to like see and feel the Bottega bag. I'm kind of obsessed with them right now. I saw that they had this one available and I thought it'd be really fun to try out, and the orange is so cute for fall. I love Vivrelle. If you're into designer bags, you should definitely check it out. They're a members only club that gives you access to designer handbags, diamonds, designer jewelry, and they have like different tiers, so it kind of ranges from like $45 to like $200, and there's different things that you can borrow within those tiers. It's really cool. They have so many cute bags on their website. Like literally everything that's on my wish list is on their website pretty much. You have a code, I'll put it here on the screen. You can use that code to skip the wait list and borrow a bag. I have access to the vivrelle closet, so I'll put that in my description below. I am so obsessed with the Bottega bags right now. Thought I would check out these ones. They're super cute, and I feel like they do look pretty similar. They definitely do still feel pretty nice. So these are 128 compared to, I think the Bottegas are around 3,500. Here's what it looks like. Here's the black. Here is the beige. I might like the beige more than the black. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the beige or the black better. And if you like the mini, this would be like the Teen Jody. This is just such a nice color, and it would look good in every season, I feel like. I might keep both. I feel like this would be a great everyday bag. That's my little haul. Now it is time to finally start decorating and unboxing all the decorations and putting out the decorations. I'm gonna kind of sort them. So I have a bunch of like little pumpkins, and then I have like some little plant things like this. I also just have like some random stuff. So I'm gonna kind of like sort it into sections of like pumpkins, plant things, that sort of thing. I'm also gonna go through it and kind of set aside anything that I don't like, that I don't want to put out this year, that I just want to get rid of. That is kind of my plan while I unbox this. I also have a bunch of faces and stuff too. I hate to say it, but my sister might have been right the other day when she said I didn't need any more pumpkins. The other day, I bought like 4 of these like little pumpkins, not like this exact one, but I bought like 4 pumpkins. And she said, don't you have like so many of these? Don't you have like a whole box of these? I was like, no. I literally have like 20 pumpkins. She might have been right. It is actually kind of ridiculous. And these are the ones I got the other day. I got this one, which is like a little crocheted pumpkin. I got this from like a little boutique. How cute. Like, I really don't have any like this. I also got this one, which most of my pumpkins are small. Like, this is the biggest one I have. So this is like quite a bit bigger. There's certain spots where I want one that is a little bit bigger. It's really cute. I also got this one, which I think is so cute. Like, imagine just like sitting on top of here. And then I got this one, which it's more of a pillow. We'll find a spot. I didn't really need this one, I'll be honest, but it was $1. So, you know what this is making me think of, all these pumpkins? It's making me think of that TikTok sound, I want my own army. I'm just gonna put these out throughout my apartment. And this is kind of the stuff that I was thinking about getting rid of. I also kind of don't like those. This is much cuter. The colors are just way better than like the purple. That is all the decorations. We're just gonna start decorating. Just from switching out the pillows and like the little hand towels and stuff, it already looks so much more fall in here. I have a bunch of summer candles and soap sitting out, so I want to switch all those for fall scent. room is done. It looks super cute. It's like pretty minimal. There's just like some pumpkins here and there. I'm really liking how everything turned out. I'll show you everything at the end, like do a little tour. Now I'm moving on to living room and kitchen area. It is a little bit later. I think I'm finally done decorating. I really like how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. I tried to not decorate the exact same as last year. I love my desk area. I think that's probably my favorite part, and that's actually where I spend the most time, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. Definitely let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do a little tour overview of how everything looks. That is how it turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to see a Christmas one, comment below your favorite places to shop for seasonal decorations, kind of your style, your vibe when it comes to fall decorations. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. I have a lot of fun fall content coming, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you see it until this point in the video. I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.